Welcome back, guys. So, right now, we want to talk about Claude as your super VA. We want to talk about Claude being your super VA and how it can help you as a VA. So, these are practical ways to use Claude, how to use it to accelerate your work and raise your quality to help you deliver like a team of professionals. So, this is you being a VA or a content creator. So, let's see how Cloud helps that process. So, right now, Cloud as your co-worker, tutor, and quality team. This is very good. So you could actually pick up a new software and Cloud will teach you how to use it, stuff like that. So let's start with writing. So email and communication. So Cloud can help you draft polished emails in seconds, build templates libraries for your current situation. It can help you research findings into clean reports, summaries, and client-ready comparison documents. It can help you create proposals, SOPs, reports, and professional templates from your bullet notes. It can help you write captions, plan content calendars, and repurpose one post into 10 formats. And it can actually serve as a customer service where you draft empathetic on brand customer replies for compliance inquiries and follow-ups. Then this very one is the most important part where cloud can actually be used as a learning tool. So it can act as an instant tutor for any new platform. Let's say you don't know anything about Notion, for instance, you could pick up Notion, or let's say your client demands for Asana, you could pick it up, and when you pick it up, you use Cloud to learn how to use it or how to use it for what your clients request for. So these are ways Cloud could help you as a VA. And right now, a mindset you should have as a VA is that AI in general does not replace a great VA. So now the AI we are talking about is Cloud. So Cloud does not replace a great VA. It makes a good VA great and a great VA extraordinary. So this literally means that it enhances your work. So always review before sending whatever you actually draft from Cloud. So you add your own judgment, then you edit to your own taste or to the taste of your client. Then you can be specific in your prompts. Vague prompts do give vague results. Of course, we've talked about prompting. You can teach Cloud how to respond or how you want it to just give you an output. So you can use it to think, not just write. You can use Cloud to brainstorm, troubleshoot, prepare for difficult conversation. So there are a lot of things it can help you do basically, and this is how Cloud comes in to help you as a VA. So I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.